In this video, we are going to learn about how to delete or how to remove Gemini chat. First of all, open Chrome browser and then type for gemini.google.com/app. After that, you can see this interface. It's a new interface from Google Gemini. So, if you want to remove Gemini chat history, then first of all, hover over the Gemini icon, then you can see a new button to open the sidebar. Click here. Now you can see here is a lot of chat with Gemini. Hover over the chat history, and then after hovering you can see a three dot menu. You can select or hover over any title to remove. Click on the three dot menu and then you can see delete option. Just click here to delete. You can also rename, pin or share conversation. Just I want to delete this one, so click on this delete button and then confirm to delete. And that's it. It's a very simple trick to delete any chat from Gemini. So if you think this video is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.